CIC6 Sample Wire Harness Intelligent Test System. Install the wire harness to be tested. Open the Intelligent Test System for the sample wire harness. The test interface provides visual guidance, which is convenient for employees to operate. Carry out the test one by one according to the system prompts. The test results are displayed in real time. Test all circuits of the wire harness. Pass the test and print the label. The printer is optional. Record the unqualified circuits. Re-inspection of the items that failed the inspection and the items. Data storage and record.